Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, an APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera kit in sleek black. This camera boasts a stunning 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor paired with a fast BIONZ X processor, ensuring your images are captured with incredible detail and clarity. With the ability to shoot 4K movies oversampled from 6K using full pixel readout and no pixel binning, your videos will be nothing short of cinematic. The product showcase setting is perfect for vloggers, as it seamlessly transitions focus from your face to objects, making product reviews a breeze. Plus, the Background Defocus button allows you to instantly toggle the defocus effect on or off, adding a professional touch to your content. For those who love live streaming, this camera makes it easy with a single USB cable connection and no need for extra hardware or software. Whether you're capturing stills or shooting video, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is designed to elevate your creative projects to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.